Hello, hello, hello. Good morning to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Hello, hello, hello. Can you hear me? Yes. Yesterday, we are creating a what synonym, that is administrator creating a synonyms and give it to the number of users. Number of users synonym through they're accessing a what? They are performing some operations. Okay, either from the tables, they're creating synonyms, either from the views, either from the procedures, anything also. But so many fellows are doesn't know where they are using in a real-time project side. Synonyms plays a major important role, means most powerful where they are using in a project side. Suppose what is the problem with the database means, suppose here this is a table is there, for example, one important table is there. Suppose here bug reports is a wanted table. Okay, for example, in a table, for example, this is a table is there in a project side. This is a original table. This table is used by so many applications. So many applications. This table is used by so many applications. So many applications on. Okay. Suppose in a future, okay, maybe anybody parallel attending PLSQL means stored procedure side, stored procedure using a what? This application. Again, functions using this application. Again, maybe triggers using this application. Maybe views using a what? This application. Maybe now here otherwise OBA reports they are using a what? This application. Again here a tab view using a what? This application. QQ is a what? Reporting applications, and BOS using a what? This application. This table, for example. Suppose, for example, yes, this table used by so many applications, but unfortunately here this table is used here. Here some fellows are using an application. Here some fellows are using an application. Here some fellows are using a what? In so many times different. So now here yes, ways they are using a what? This application. Whenever we are changing, suppose here, for example, we are changing a what? This table name to another name, for example, another name. Whenever, okay, so now we are changing a what? This table name to another name, where the what in this coding is there. No, here some codings are there here, user defined functions, use triggers like this only. In that coding where the table name is there, these are all the cases we are changing a what? The table name. That is a problem. That's very difficult only. Whenever they're changing a what? This table name means where the applications are there, in that all the application side, we are changing a what? That a table name. That is very difficult. That's why database administrator, flexibility purpose, what they are creating. Yes, this original table means stay in existence. Just they are creating a what? Synonym. They are creating a what? Synonym they are creating a what? Synonym. That is synonym only given to the where these all applications, they are giving a what? Synonym. Whenever they are performing operations here like this, that is affected in a where, yes, here in this table only directly. Whenever they are performing operation in a synonym, yes, original table is affected. Whenever they are changing a what? This original table means not required to change a what? That name in a where in all the applications, not required. That is the beauty of the where synonym. Unfortunately, we are dropping a what? Synonym also. Original table, original view, original store will not be affected. There is a beauty. That's why now here, whenever we are using a what? So many applications in a table, then whenever we are changing a what in a table name, where the table name is using in a where big applications are PLSQL project side or in a coding is there. No, in that all the cases we are changing that name means very difficult. That's why senior most database administrator creating a what? Synonym for that table, and that synonym given to the where number of users only. Those persons are okay using a what? Same like a table only. That synonym only they are performing operation. Those all operations are affected in a where? In a original table. Whenever they need to change data table name, there's no need to require to change all the names in a where in applications. That is the beauty of the where synonym in a real-time project site, in a production environment. That's why this type of synonyms with the administrator creating, you are working on it. Unfortunately, you are dropping a what synonym, then actual table, reference to that table, that procedure, that view will not be dropped. That is the advantage. Okay, now, and now here, suppose I try to view, this is suppose whenever we are working in a company side, yes, this is a table, this is a view, this is a synonym. How you are understandable? Yes, here, suppose select star from something only, I'm typing only. Then automatically it is displayed a what something. That is a table or view or synonym. How can I view? Sir, tell me. Now, very good. Yes, here. User underscore objects data dictionary is there, no? Same like here, but unfortunately here public synonyms also there. A private synonyms also there. These all the things I want to view means yes, a DBA underscore yes objects is a data dictionary is there. DBA underscore objects is a data dictionary. This data dictionary is available in a where sys user connect sys as sys DBA. Here password is sys. And now here DSC, what is the which ones now here data dictionary DBA underscore objects is a data dictionary is there. In this one, object name, object type, created time, all the details are available. Suppose here A, something yesterday we are creating, B, I'm creating. What is that A, what is that B, I'm not understandable. That's what some other fellow is what creating, for example. Yes, in that case, I want to interested to view means how can I select object underscore name, comma, object underscore type from DBA underscore objects where object underscore name is equal to here single quotes capital letter A like this only. Yesterday and now here we are creating a what that one synonym or not? Yes, sir. Under which one? Table. Under table only that creating a what synonym or not? Yes, here automatically it will display. Object type is a what? Object name is a what? A. That A is a what? Synonym. From the table they're creating or not? Yes, here. And now here, observe here. Suppose public synonym also I want to view means here, just here, BBB yesterday. BBB like this only. And now here automatically it will display a what? BBB is a what? A synonym or not? Yes, here like. That's why if you want to view a particular, and now here select a star from A, select a star from BBB, something we are typing, okay, fine. But unfortunately, what is that one? Yes, I want to view, you want to view. This is a private synonym, public synonym. Select a star from yesterday BBB, we are typing or not? Yes, here. In that one, public synonym is here like this. Now here, anywhere also, any user also, it is displayed or not? Yes, here, what is this BBB? What is this A, that I want to view means, then we are using a what? Yes, DB underscore objects data dictionary, not a user underscore objects. Why? Because here public synonym also there, no private synonym is we have to connect to that user, in that user only working, not a another users. Okay, yes, that's why in a sys user my AAE is not working only. Now here write it, some theory write it. Very important this one. This is so many fellows are doesn't know user underscore objects they are selecting in a project site, don't work. Write it fast. In Oracle, if you want to find out requested DB object means database object. Requested DB object is synonym or not. Then we are using DBA underscore. Then we are using DBA underscore objects data dictionary. Then we are using DB underscore objects data dictionary. Example, go to SQL from connect Sys adds sys DBA, enter password sys DSC DB underscore objects. Then write fastly write. Anybody editing yesterday me CAAA capital letters we are using after equal to no, not yes. Right. This is very important. Requested DB object is a synonym or a view or sequence or anything I want to view like. But in remaining all the objects user underscore object side working, but here is a DB underscore object side dictionary. Okay, na? Faster right. Both the things right fast. Synonym is a dependent object, okay? From the table, from the views, from the procedures, it will be depends, okay? From that one, it will be only independent database object is sequence. But this is a pointer only, okay? Finish up fast. Completed. Next. Dropping synonyms. This is a different concept. Dropping synonyms. Whenever we are dropping a synonym, actual reference object, either table, either view, either procedure working. Okay. Yeah. But how you are dropping a synonym is you are not dropping in a project side. Actually, database administrator dropping. But unfortunately, subject purpose I'm telling. How you are dropping a synonym is particular user dropping a synonym is compulsory. That user having a what privilege is required. Privilege is required. That user having a privilege is occasion of privilege, then only are now possible. What is the privilege means? This is totally different. Drop any synonym is a predefined privilege is there. That system privilege is available in that user, then only that user is allowed to drop, otherwise impossible. Impossible. Private synonym cannot be dropped, does not exist. It will give a message. Now here, this is so many fellows are doesn't have an idea. Others also not writing. Now check it out. Practically we are checking. Suppose here, now connect yesterday Morley user, for example. This user through, I try to drop a what synonym? Drop synonym name. Okay. Before that one, here observe it here. Drop synonym, drop in a synonym, privilege is there. And now check it out. Suppose here, okay, already my user is that privileges are there. First observe here. This is a Morley user. Okay, fine. For example, in this Morley user, for example, first time, now NA user is there. Now yesterday, this is the user is there. Already I'm giving you what some permissions. Don't worry. And now here, yes. Suppose this is a Morley user is there. In this Morley user, I try to drop a synonym. Drop synonym. 1 minute observe here. Synonym name. What is the synonym name? A like this. Whenever you are try to drop a what, already we are giving the permissions. Now here, this is original one. Whenever we are dropping a what NA synonym, actually, okay, already we are giving a permission. That's why Murli user that is working, public is there. Now, whenever we are drop a synonym in a Oracle database side, it will give us a what error message. Private synonym to be dropped does not exist. It gives a message. In that case, database administrator giving a what permission, grant drop NA synonym to username. This is a predefined system privilege only. Once we are giving award that system privilege, then only we are allowed to drop in a private synonym. That is the original scenario only. Now here that one we have to write it. So now drop synonym. Now here write it some theory. In Oracle, if you want to drop private synonym, then that user must have drop any synonym system privilege. Otherwise, Oracle server returns an error. Otherwise, Oracle server returns an error. Example. Sorry, syntax writing. Syntax grant drop any synonym. Any synonym is a predefined system privilege to username. Drop any synonym to username. Example, right. First go to SQL prompt, connect this user morally and morally like this. In this user, I try to drop this synonym. Drop synonym, synonym name AAE. Error right. These are actual scenarios, project side database administrator use. Firstly, write it solution. Connect sys as sys DBA. Enter password. Sys grant drop any synonym to username morally like this. Then only you have to connect. Morally is a user and also morally is a user. In that user, drop synonym name A working. Write in this scenario. Oracle side means compulsory these privilegizations are required. This is private synonym. If you want to drop private synonym, then this is this. Public synonym is drop a public synonym is a system privilege is required. Okay. Drop public synonym. Completed a fast. Fast rate it. And now I try to drop synonym. Sorry, public synonym. Drop public synonym. Synonym name BBB. Something is there or not? Yes, here. Connect morally and also morally user. In that one, and now here, yes. Drop public synonym. One user I'm testing. Synonym name BBB like this. Insufficient privileges. In that case, now here connect sys as sys DBA. Password is sys grant drop public synonym to username, which user, Murli user, like this. Once they are giving a what permission, then Murli user, Murali, and also Murli user, administrator giving a permission means drop synonym name BBB like this. Drop public synonym name BBB like this. Private I'm giving yes. This is dropped or not. That's why whenever we are dropping a what private synonym is drop in a synonym system privilege is required in Oracle. Suppose public synonym is drop public synonym is a system privilege required. Once that privilege is there, then public is a keyword through they are dropping a what synonym. Otherwise, I am not giving a what in a previous case, public is a keyword. That's why again it will give us a what treated as a what private synonym. It won't work only. This is also important. Now here in a previous case, dropping a what a private synonym is drop in a synonym is a system privilege. This is administrative purpose. These are all the concepts better to know. Now here, write it. Write a note again. Public synonym. Write a note in Oracle. In Oracle, if you want to drop public synonym, then those users having drop public synonym system privilege. Otherwise, Oracle server returns an error. Otherwise, Oracle server returns an error. Fastly read it. Returns an error. Syntax grant drop public synonym to username. These are all things administrator give. Grant drop a public synonym to username. Okay, na? This scenario through we are trying it. Okay. Whenever I'm giving a what Murli through insufficient privileges, then public is a keyword means public. Finished this one. Fastly write it. This example. Connect Murli, drop public synonym BBB. It won't work. Insufficient privileges here or no? Solution. Fastly. Grant succeeded. No? Then connect Murli user. Okay, yesterday Murli user through we are telling. Drop synonym BBM is not working. Public is a keyword here. These are admin privileges. Generally, you are not dropping any synonyms, but administrator using these all. So many fellows are asking. Suppose here you are working in a company. Whenever they are giving award some DB object, that a DB object, unfortunately, you are dropping all. Unfortunately, you are dropping that one. Then what's now? Then any information is lost? No. Why? Because from that one, actual table is available. Because this is maybe synonym, maybe view, like that only. Anybody dropping award this database object also, this DB object is corrupted. Maybe, unfortunately, it is dropped also. This original table still is existing. That is important. That is the beauty of the where synonyms on the views only. Suppose here now this synonym is dropped. Whenever this synonym is dropped, either public or private also, already we are dropping only. But unfortunately, original table is available. Yes, available. Now connect here Scott and a tiger. In yesterday, we are creating a what synonym for the where, which table based only we are creating EMP table. EMP table still exists. That is the beauty of the where synonyms and views only. Whenever we are dropping a what, those synonyms and those views also, the actual reference object will not be affected. That is the beauty. Whenever you are performing operation insert, update, delete, you okay, working. But here, now here, whenever we are dropping a what, these DB objects, actual reference objects will not be affected. That is the beauty of the where synonyms. Write a note. Fastly write it. Write a note. In all relational databases, whenever we are dropping synonyms also, then actual objects means reference objects, then actual objects will not be dropped. Then actual objects will not be dropped. Example, connect Scott and tiger like this. Then go to SQL prompt, select star from EMP working. Completed. Now write it another one. Last one only. All synonyms information is stored under which one? User underscore. Synonyms is a data dictionary. In this one, in a real-time project site, DB link, that one, or these all the things we are write it. Fastly write. Next para. In Oracle, all synonyms information. All synonyms information stored under user underscore synonyms data dictionary. User underscore synonyms data dictionary. Example, fastly write it. DSC user underscore synonyms. User underscore synonyms. Okay, these are the synonyms concept only. Other than this one, nobody asking. Administration concepts also DB, son of your dropping, I'm telling, and also some administration concept DB link. That is those two administration concept. Remaining all the things developers concept. Okay, now next last database objects. What is that one means? Index. This is important again. Index. In a database, index, synonyms, views, these are all common. Index. What is index database object means? Everyone knows that is an administrator using only. That is a performance tuning concept. Very important. And now check it out. Actually, suppose you are purchasing a what? Java book, for example, easily understandable. Now you are working in a Java project side. You are purchasing a what? Java book, for example. Suppose in a Java book, that Java book only, so many pages are there, so many topics are there, for example. Suppose here in your project, you are referencing a what? You are interested to read what in your project, you are working in a JDBC project. That's why JDBC topic only you don't have an idea. That's the topic only you want to read today, for example. Now you want only JDBC topic, but unfortunately you are also, I am also, yes, in that book only where the JDBC topic is there, page by page, 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 nobody referring. If you are searching a what like that means so much of time is wasted. Just here, I am also, you are also very fastly that JDBC topic I want to read means today, how can I just go to index page? In that index page where the what particular topic is there, suppose here in that one so many topics are there, here JDBC topic is there, for example, and now here, yes, here in a which page that will be there, and now here that is a page number, just through that page number very fast it will be searching a what particular page or not. Yes, here simple. In that particular topic JDBC where the page is available in 90 page only that will be available means very fastly we are searching about that particular page and we are reading about that articles. Same like in a databases, huge amount of data is there, huge amount of data, millions of records are there. Whenever millions of records are available also, whenever you are writing about some query, so many queries you are writing, okay, fine. But unfortunately, how fastly retrieve the data from the database, very important. Suppose you are writing about some query and now your manager wants about that report only, but unfortunately your manager wants to wait about only 5 minutes only, but your query take about some of your output, go to where about that database and also searching a data and retrieve it will take a time half an hour means no use. Your manager is waiting only 5 minutes, but your query retrieving a what it will take a time of half an hour means no use of that query. That's why fastly retrieve of the way data is very important. Quickest way we are retrieving the data is very important. If you want to retrieve the data very fastly, then in every database, one database object is there. Index is a database object. That's why index is a database object which is used to retrieve data very fastly from the databases. How and how it is possible? What is that one? We are learning big concept. And now in every database in the worldwide, and now whenever we are using a want indexed columns in a where class or order by class, then database servers very fastly retrieve the data from the where database compared to where normal queries through we are normal columns through we are requesting our data. Why indexed columns only retrieve the data very fastly? Why normal columns only very slowly retrieve the data? I will tell you. That's why performance tuning is a concept is there. That performance tuning database administrator programmers always using a what index is a one concept only. Through that one, they're retrieving a data very fastly. So many performance tuning concepts are there. One of the concept is indexes in every database. That's why index is a DB object, purpose is different. Again, a synonym is a what DB object, purpose is different. View is a DB object, purpose is different. Sequence is a DB object, purpose is different only. That's why index is a DB object different from all other objects. Why? Because this DB object is used by a database administrator only creating a what this indexes. You are not creating one. But subject is there, so much of thing, how it is working, what happened internally, those all the things we are learning. Very, very important concept. Write it index. Write it fastly first, then practical I'm showing all. Index is a database object. Index is a database object which is used to retrieve data, very fastly, from database. In a database. Right? Okay, so now index is a database object which is used to retrieve data very fastly from database. Generally, indexes are created on table columns. And also, indexes are created by database administrator only. Database administrator means within the bracket DB write. Database administrator only. Now 2 minutes observed here. So much a big concept, but one by one we are learning. Now check it out. Okay, fine. Now concentrate. This is a table is there, for example. Don't write it, Just very interesting, something is there. This is a table is there. What is the table? Up to now we are practicing only EMP table is there. Suppose this is a project table. Now I am writing a query. Select a star from in my project only where here employee number is equal to something. Otherwise, e-name is equal to something. I am writing a query. Where e-name is equal to here, I am writing a what Ford is a what employee. I am writing like, for example, this query retrieve the data. Okay, fine. Yes, from the database. Again, in a project side, another query I am writing. Select star from EMP where now here employee number I am writing. Observe here. Here Ford is a what is the employee number 7902 I am writing. In a previous case, this employee name I am using. I am retrieving the data. In this case, second case, employee number, same. Okay, that Ford employee number I am using only. That one I am using. Now here, now check it out. Here employee number is equal to 7902 type. This is also same data, it will be retrieved. But you are not an administrator. You are not an administrator also. Maybe tell me which query retrieve the data very fastly, which query retrieve the data very slowly. Maybe guess it. First query or second query? One query is e-name. One query is a employee number in our table. E-name is equal to Ford. I am writing same output. In that one, employee number is available. Same output only. It will be retrieved. But maybe which query is retrieve the data very fastly, which query is retrieve the data very slowly. Maybe guess it. Yes, very good. Number one telling you what a second query only retrieve data very fastly. 100% correct. How you are given the guarantee second query retrieve the data very fastly means you are not testing up to now. Later we are testing also. And now here up to now we are not testing, but in our class all persons are telling what second query only retrieve the data very fastly. Yes, they are telling. Really correct. Really correct. Why? Because why second query retrieve the data very fastly means the reason is there. What is the reason means? Can observe it. What is the reason means? Here in a second query, employee number everyone knows primary key. That primary key is a reason? No. whenever you are creating a what any database in the worldwide, in a primary key column also internally every database servers internally creates a what index on the where index on the where b-tree index here internally index is there, there is a b-tree index internally creates a what a b-tree index on those columns only. Those indexed columns we are using in a where class. Searching mechanism is different, that's why it will be retrieve the data. That's why I am not creating index in this case. Oracle server only internally, SQL server only internally creating a what index automatically. That's why these type of indexes are called automatically created indexes. And then how it is working, I will tell you, don't worry. But unfortunately, manually also we are creating indexes. What is that one? Means create index name on table name, column name only. That's why in every relational database in the worldwide, all databases, how many ways they are creating indexes? Two ways. One is automatically, another one is what? Manually. Automatically means nothing is there. Whenever we are creating a primary key or unique constraint, then automatically database servers create a what? Index on those columns only. But that is a what a B-tree index, what is B-tree, what is bitmap, those are all the things we are learning in our classes only. And now first this theory, right? In a future, you are a good experienced person, means index underscore name, comma, index, don't write index underscore type from user underscore indexes, where table underscore name, single quotes, capital letter, EMP like this. Whenever we are using this one here, normal means B-tree index only. What is B-tree index? I will tell you, don't worry. Is a normal means B-tree index. Here index name is PK underscore EMP. PK underscore EMP you are creating? No, you are not creating only. And a PK underscore EMP means anybody attending a what constraint chapter means I am telling how can I create a what table in a where Oracle Corporation creating a EMP table like this. Employee number, here 4 like this. Here constraint name PK underscore EMP like this only. Here primary key is available or not? Yes, here whatever name is there, same name only. No, sorry, now here same name. This is the way I'm telling. This is the way our Oracle creating a what? Yes, here the table only. But in this case, whenever okay, so now whatever constraint name is there, user defined constraint name, that same name using in a very index name only. That's why whenever we are creating a primary key or a unique constraint, then automatically database servers creates a what index, same name as a what a constraint name only it will be used. That is called automatically created indexes. Whenever indexed column we are using in a where clause or order by clause, searching mechanism is different. Then very fastly it will be retrieve the data. That is I will tell you. But before that one, yes, in every relational database, two types of indexes are there. That theory you have to write. First theory, then practical. Write it. Next one. In Oracle, we are creating indexes. In two ways. These are first one automatically, second one manually. First one automatically, sorry. Automatically. Practically very interesting. These are all the things we are checking. Write it fastly, theory write it. Yeah, not only Oracle, automatically means but database. Write it. In Oracle, whenever we are creating primary key or unique constraint, then Oracle server internally automatically internally automatically creates B tree. B tree. What is B tree means? We are learning next. Don't worry. B tree indexes on those columns. B tree indexes on those columns. Next, second one, manually. Manually. In Oracle, write it. You can also create indexes explicitly by using following syntax. Syntax, create index, index name and a name on table name, your column name, in a number of columns also. This is a syntax in every database. Okay. Oracle also. Create index name on table name. Now up to this one today enough, which time is not there. Now here then how these indexes are working, why this is a fastly retrieval, then how you are find out a query you are requesting means that is indexes searching or not, where these indexes are available. Those are all the things we are learning at tomorrow. Tomorrow don't miss the class. Tomorrow I will tell you these are all the things only. Okay. Yes, here. Now you have to connect it to what PLSQL. Tomorrow we'll continue. Thank you.